Jody Mango, yeah! Good day! For our first episode for Mathaya, we will talk about numbers. So what are numbers anyway? Well, numbers are basically an idea from your mind which enables one to count or measure something or someone. What you are actually seeing here are not really numbers, but they are called numerals. Numerals, on the other hand, is how you present or write the numbers from your mind. Nowadays, there are already prevailing numerals. Anyone can just write the word itself, such as 1, 2, and so on. There are also Roman numerals, which is letter for certain values of numbers, such as I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. The other numeral which is prevalent is the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Yep, Hindu. They are just numbers. 1, 2, 3, the standard that you see. They are used almost everywhere. Just so you know, these Hindu-Arabic numerals are credited to Brahmagupta from the 6th century BC and Aryabhata from the 5th century BC. Well, not sure about these people here, but they got it from Google. So, where do you see these numbers? Well, you see them on your birthdays or dates. Well, not the one with your special someone, but just like here, May 25, 1851. For money, such as the Philippine peso, 1 peso or $3 US. Time, such as 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. or your Korean line, as a 7th, 2nd, whatever. These numbers can be designated to different types depending on its use. It can be as a cardinal number. A number is cardinal if it is used for counting. It can be as 1 apple, 2 mangoes, or 3 people in a love triangle. A number can also be ordinal. A number is ordinal if it is used to designate order. It can be first person in the race, third person in line, or sadly, second option of your crush. Lastly, a number can be nominal. It is nominal if it is used to name something or someone, such as a football player with jersey number 11, telephone number 555-5555, or a car plate number with ILY 3000. There are also other types of numbers defined in math. There are natural numbers. These numbers are positive and start from 1 and higher, basically numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. Natural numbers also has an alias of counting numbers since they are mainly used for counting. Now, if you include 0 to this list of natural numbers, you already have the whole numbers. Well, since you can't be whole until you experience nothing. Include the negative numbers to the whole numbers, then you will have the integers or integers, because they're negative. Now, if you include to the integers the fractional numbers such as 1/3 or 2/5, and numbers with repeating decimals like 1.33 with the dash line, or the terminating decimals such as 1.25, you will have the rational numbers. Since there are rational numbers, there should also be irrational numbers. Same is true in life. There are rational and irrational people. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be represented by a ratio, such as they have non-repeating and non-terminating decimal values. Yep, only in math there is forever. Samples of these are the square root of 2 and square root of 3, where their values are 1.414 something 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 and 1.732 something something something. There are also commonly used non-terminating and non-repeating numbers, which is not based from a root. They are called transcendental numbers. Examples of these are pi, oh no, not this one, but this pi, with a value of 3.14 something something something. Another one is the Euler's number, with a value of 2.718 something something something. If we now combine both the rational and the irrational numbers, they are part of the real numbers. Since there are real numbers, there are also imaginary numbers. Same also with friends. Well, you have real and imaginary friends. Imaginary numbers are basically a square root of negative numbers. It is commonly represented by I, since imaginary, which is equal to the square root of negative 1. If you then combine the real numbers and the imaginary numbers, you will have the complex numbers. So, guys, remember not to combine your real life and imaginary life for you not to have a complex life. To summarize, numbers are an idea from our mind, and numerals is its presentation. It can be categorized as cardinal for counting, ordinal for order, nominal for name. As such, we can give it an acronym of CONCON. Rational numbers can now be summarized in a diagram such as this. Natural numbers in the innermost, then whole numbers, then integers, while this integer along with the fractional, repeating, and terminating completes the whole rational number series. Furthermore, transcendental numbers are a special type of irrational numbers, while both rational and irrational numbers are under real numbers. Finally, both real and imaginary numbers are under complex numbers. All of these are the type of numbers I discussed based on how it is used in math. That's it for now, folks. You can check my website in the description if you want a written copy of this video. Source of information and pictures are also in the description. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to be updated on new videos. Okay, see you and always smile! Joe, 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 Jody Mango.